Hi, boys and girls. I'm so happy that you've joined us for our fun cooking program. And you know what? I have some special helpers today. I have Carter and Pei-Ying, and I have Christiana and Travis. And boys and girls, do you know what we're gonna make today? Who knows? Oh, we're gonna make Oriental fried rice.
I know. Oriental fried rice.
That's right. How did you know?
Because all the days my mommy make that.
Oh, well, you're gonna get to help me make it now. Well, boys and girls, I'm going to start by plugging in our electric skillets. But when we're around electric skillets, what does Miss Cinda say?
Don't touch it.
That's right.
Because we'll burn yourself.
That's right.
And you will be hurt.
That's right. And we don't want to get hurt, do we? Okay. So to start off with, I've given you each some tofu. Now both do it together. And I want you to cut your tofu up into little squares, okay? You can cut this way, and then we can turn it and you can cut it again, okay? You want to cut it up in little squares. That's okay, Carter. There you go. Here, Pei-Ying, let me help you. See, we're going to go across like this.
I can do it.
Okay, how are you guys doing? Oh, wow, you guys are doing good too.
Like me.
And you want
Like me, Miss Cinda.
Oh, you're doing awesome. And you know, Miss Cinda's going to put the, we're going to have a couple tablespoons of the canola oil in our skillet, but Miss Cinda's going to do that, okay? Because I don't want you leaning over the skillet, the hot skillet, okay? And we're going to just put a tablespoon in. Because I don't think we need too much oil, do we?
Like Miss Cinda, I make a little square.
Good.
I make another square.
Oh, good job. Oh, you guys are doing good. Are you almost ready?
We've got lots.
You have lots? Okay. Let's see. You're about ready, so let's go ahead and you know what? Use your pot holders. Because when we're working around it's okay. I can get them for you. When we're working around the hot skillet, we need our pot holders, boys and girls. So make sure you have these. But don't make this recipe unless you have an adult doing it with you, okay?
Got it?
Okay. Are you guys ready to put yours in? Okay, it's okay. How about if I help you? Okay, you ready?
You do it.
Oh, now get your spoons. Miss Cinda will use one of them just to get all of it out, okay? Okay, now you can use your spoons to stir it around, okay? Put your hot pads on. I'll move it closer to you, but you have to have your pot holders on, okay? I'll move it a little bit closer. But you have your,
Cinda,
okay,
pour it in
stir it around. Let me help you. Oh, good.
Okay.
Okay, are you ready to put yours in?
Yep.
Okay. Let me help you.
Miss Cinda.
Oh, it's okay. Miss Cinda will get that.
We have fun cleaning it.
That's right. Is that what Miss Cinda says? If you make a mess, what do I say, Pei-Ying?
Have fun cleaning it.
That's right. We'll have fun cleaning it up. It's okay if we make a mess, isn't it?
Yeah.
Miss Cinda will pick it up so we don't step on it, okay?
Okay.
All right. Now put your tofu, you got your tofu in there, and you stir up your tofu really good. Here's your spoon. Stir up your tofu. And how about I'll add some peas and carrots to yours. And let me add some peas and carrots to yours. Can you stir it up? And you want to get that to... Do you know what it means when we cook it like this?
Yeah.
Do you know what we say? What are we doing? Are we baking it?
Baking it.
No, we're not baking it. If we're baking it, we put it in the oven.
Toasting it a little.
Well, you could say it kind of that way, but have you guys ever heard your mommies or your daddies say they're sautéing something? Have you ever heard that?
No.
That's what we're doing. Can you say sauteing?
Sauteing. I can reach.
Oh, you know what? I'll move yours a little closer, but you've got to be really careful, okay?
Okay.
No, you can get on your stool. I'll just move this a little bit closer, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Who wants to measure out 2 teaspoons of our McKay's chicken style? This is a vegan one. How about you each do 1 teaspoon? You can take your gloves off for now, your gloves. You can take your, well, they're kind of like gloves, aren't they? Okay, nope, that's a tablespoon. I'll get yours, Pei-Ying. Let's put it right here, okay?
The small blue one.
That's right, you have a teaspoon. Okay, you take, we'll take turns, okay? Here's yours. Okay, 1 teaspoon and sprinkle it around here.
Can I put mine?
Yeah, let's let Travis do his first. Okay, that's good. Oh, good job, Travis. Boys and girls, do you see what Travis is doing? He leveled off his teaspoon. Okay, now stir it around, Travis. Get your pot holders on.
Where's my fork?
Where's, oh, I'll get it for you. Just a minute. No, you have your spoon. Okay, just 1 minute. Let's oh, just a minute, Pei-Ying. I'll get it, okay? It's okay, we're sharing. Good job, Christiana. Okay, you can dump that in now. No, you can dump it in. Okay, Pei-Ying, your turn.
Where's my fork?
Oh, we don't, oh, you want a knife. Is that what you want? Let's use Christiana's knife. So you can level it off.
That was my knife.
Oh, well, just a minute, Carter. Let's let Pei-Ying do it first. Okay, nope, let's put this in first.
Not my knife.
And then hold it up over the jar. And now level it off. Good job, Pei-Ying. Now sprinkle. Okay, it's Carter's turn. Now, oh, thank you. Now can you put your pot holders back on your hand and you can stir. Good job. Okay, Carter, let me hold it over for you. That's kind of hard to do, isn't it? How are you guys doing over here? You being real careful? Oh, there. Yours was hiding under your pot holder. But still, that was nice of Christiana to share with us. A little bit more.
That one was
You want to make sure when you're measuring to get your even measure. Because your recipe won't taste right, boys and girls, if you don't get it measured evenly. Good job, Carter. Okay, dump it in.
That one was his, not mine.
Oh, okay. Well, that's okay because we shared, didn't we? Okay, now let me see what we're going to need. We're going to need 3 tablespoons of Bragg's.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to find...
Yeah, me, I want to do it.
We'll take turns, okay? Here, Pei-Ying, hold this for a minute.
Oh, that one's mine.
I know, but you want it... That's a teaspoon, and see, this is a tablespoon, so a tablespoon's bigger. Now, be very careful because I don't want you to touch this, okay?
I won't.
Okay.
All the time, I won't touch this.
You won't, okay.
All the time, I won't.
Miss Cinda will help you. Okay, ready?
All the time, I won't touch pot.
Okay, you know what? We're going to dump it in our rice first. There, dump it in there.
On the floor.
Oh, well, you know what? I'll let you use the one Pei-Ying is using, okay?
Okay.
Here, Carter, we're going to dump it in your rice. Hold this over. Boys and girls, you dump the Bragg's liquid aminos in the rice. And boys and girls, if you're wondering about the recipe, go ahead. No, dump it here.
Oh.
Dump it here, Carter. If you're wondering about the recipe, you can go to our Tiny Tot website. And our recipe for today will be on our Tiny Tot website, okay? And so that way you can ask an adult to get it for you and help you make it. Here, Carter, let me have this. Oh, do you guys have your tablespoon? Oh, here.
I already asked 3 doses.
Okay. Can you get your pot holders on and stir this a little bit? Okay. Travis, there's your 1. Whoa, Travis, I got it all over you, didn't I? Let's get a towel for you. Oh, dear, is Miss Cinda getting messy? Now I'm going to have to help clean up my own kitchen. Oh, I made a mess over here. And what do I say about messes?
It's okay. Clean up.
That's right. Okay? Okay, one more. One more.
Hey, guess what? You put someone here.
Oh, no. How did I do that? Okay, now we're going to dump our rice in. You ready? What's your, okay. There you go. Okay, Pei-Ying. Oh, no, yours is right here, honey. Hop back up here. Oh, I'll get it. It's okay. Miss Cinda will get it. Okay. Here, there you go. Okay, you ready? Your rice is going in. You need to stir. Stir, stir, stir.
I don't know how we're going to get it in.
How about if I help you?
Because it will be really,
There
really
you
hot.
go. Okay, stir it up. Get your potholders out. Christiana. We don't want our hands to get burned. We don't want our hands to get burned, do we? Oh, that would hurt.
Cinda.
And we want to be safe.
Miss Cinda, look what you did.
Okay, can you stir it up? Oh,
It smells good.
Does it smell good?
Miss Cinda smells good.
It does. Would you want me to tell you something that's going to make it even smell better? Smell this. Do you know what this is?
What?
Let's see if you guys can tell me what this is. Here, Pei-Ying. I'll get it, Pei-Ying. It's okay. Just a minute. I'll get you another one, okay? Smell that. Does that smell good? Do you know what that is? Just a minute.
I'm going to pick this up.
Oh, what's that?
We gotta hurry.
We gotta hurry. We're almost out of time. Okay. Let me go in the cupboard right here and get another spoon. There we go. Okay, here you go. Here's one that didn't fall on the floor. Hold this. Oh, you know what? Let's help you. Okay, and you know what, boys and girls? Miss Cinda is going to just sprinkle a little bit. This is dark sesame oil, and we're just going to smell it. Oh, doesn't it smell good?
Yeah.
Oh, look. Okay, stir it up good. And who wants to taste this?
Cinda, this don't smell good. Me.
It does? Okay. Well,
I already tasted.
Okay, let me get some plates. Because you guys are each going to need a plate. Okay, and then I'll let you guys each taste it. Okay, put some on a plate for you. How about if you can take your gloves off and I'll move this like this.
And then sit back.
That's right.
That's okay.
And Carter, can you get me some spoons over there on the
Thank you.
Okay, now this is going to be hot.
That's for us to share.
Or there's yours. Oh, you ready?
Pink! I
Okay.
like pink!
You do? Well, good thing.
It's my favorite color.
Is it? It's very hot. Okay.
Thank you. Chloe.
Okay, blow it off and let's try it. Oh. Oh. What do you think? Do you guys like it? Boys and girls, you can make this recipe at home because you know what? Anytime you can be in the kitchen, it's fun.
Cinda, this is good.